Hello children, today we are going to do chapter 17, the clothes we wear. Like food and water, clothes are our basic need. We wear clothes to number 1, cover our body, number 2, to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain and dust, and number 3, to look smart. So, like food and water, clothes are also necessary for us. They are our basic need. Like we cannot do without food and water, so we cannot also do without clothes. It helps us to cover our body. It also helps us to protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust, and it also helps us to look good. Now in summer, it is very hot in summer, so we wear cotton clothes during summer. Light colored cotton clothes keep us cool. They absorb sweat easily. We get cotton from cotton plants. So it is very hot in summers. In order to protect ourselves from the extreme hot of summer, we wear cotton clothes. Why do we wear cotton clothes? Because they are light and also keep us cool. They can absorb the sweat easily. How do we get cotton clothes? We get cotton clothes from cotton plants. We get cotton from cotton plants, and from that we make cotton clothes. In winter, it is very cold in winter. We wear woolen clothes during winter. Woolen clothes keep us warm. We get wool from sheep. And during winter season, we wear woolen clothes. From where do we get wool? We get wool from sheep, from where yarn is made, and from there we make sweaters. These sweaters are hot, and they help us to keep warm during the cold months of the winter season. Now, in rainy season, we get wet if we go out in the rain. We use raincoats or umbrellas on rainy days. We can also wear gum boots. These things help us to keep dry in the rain. So during rainy season, we use raincoats and umbrellas in order to keep ourselves safe from the rain and not to get wet. We also wear gum boots in order to keep ourselves dry. Special occasions. We wear colorful clothes on special occasions like festivals, weddings, and birthday parties. Such clothes are called party wear. So, on special occasions like birthday, festival, or at a wedding, we wear special clothes. These special clothes help us to look nice and different, and also help us to look special during special occasions. Uniform. People who do special jobs wear special kinds of clothes called uniforms. A uniform suits the kind of job a person does. Children in school also wear uniform. We must wear clean uniform when we go to school. Okay, so we wear uniform when we are at work. Work people wear different kind of uniform. Like you must have seen a soldier wearing a grey colored uniform, or a policeman or a nurse wearing a white colored clothing, or a doctor like this. Or when we go to school, in school also we go only after wearing a uniform. We just do not wear any kind of clothes and go to school. So these people, while going to work, wear different kinds of uniform. At home, we wear comfortable clothes like t-shirts, jeans, kurta or pajama when we are at home. So at home, we wear very comfortable clothes like t-shirt, jeans, kurta or pajama. Different types of clothes. People in different parts of the world wear different types of clothes. As you can see, people in Punjab, in Rajasthan, Nagaland, West Bengal and Maharashtra wearing different kinds of clothes. Now, people living in different countries also wear different kinds of clothes. These clothes are called costumes. The clothes that actors and dancers wear are also called as costume. As you can see in the picture, people in Gujarat, the clothes of the people in Gujarat is different from those of people in Kerala, Kashmir, Assam or Tamil Nadu. So the type of clothes also depends upon the place of where a person lives. People all around the world also wear different kinds of clothes. As you can see, the cloth of a Japanese is different from Arab people. from Burmese people. Eskimos are again different from the people from other countries like Dutch or from Scotland. So we should take care of our clothes. So people from different countries or different states wear different kinds of clothes. Therefore, the clothes also depend upon the country or the state a person belongs to. Now, let's do the exercise. Tick the correct answers. We get wool from? Yes, the options are sheep, silkworm, cotton plant. The right answer is we get cotton from cotton plant. Woolen clothes protect us from cold, rain, or heat. So the right answer is woolen clothes protect us from cold. As you know that we wear woolen clothes during winter season. Number 3. The clothes we wear on special occasions are called uniform, party wear, or suits. The clothes we wear on special occasions are called as party wear. You find a poor old man shivering from cold. What will you do? Give your old blanket to him, make fun of him, or ignore him? Yes, what will you do? We would give our old blanket to him. So the answer is number A. Match correctly. Winter, summer, rains. Raincoat, woolen clothes, or cotton clothes. In winter, we use woolen clothes. In summer, we use cotton clothes. And in rains, we use raincoat. Now fill in the blanks. We wear dash on special occasion. We wear party wear on special occasions. Number 2, umbrellas and dash protect us from rain. Umbrellas and raincoats protect us from rain. Look at the picture and name the season. So let's see. It seems like rainy season. See, the children are holding umbrella. A girl is holding an umbrella. The children are wearing raincoats and it's raining. So it's a rainy season. Now, this number 2 is summer season. As the boy is comfortably wearing loose fitting clothes, so it's summer season. And number 3, it's winter season. As the boy is wearing caps, mufflers, cardigans, and full pants, so we can say that it is winter season. So number 1 is rainy season, number 2 is summer season, and number 3 is winter season. Now let's come down to question and answers. Answer the following question. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body, to protect ourselves from heat, cold, rain, and dust. And number 3, to look smart. Why do we wear cotton clothes in summer? In summer, it is very in summer it is very hot. To keep ourselves cool, we wear summer cotton clothes. And cotton clothes also absorb the sweat very easily. So we come to the end of the chapter. So let's summarize the whole chapter once again. Clothes are very important for us like food and water. It help us to cover our body, also protect us from heat, cold, rain and dust, and also to look good. In summer we wear summer clothes, in winter we wear woolen clothes, and in rainy season we wear raincoats and also use umbrellas and gumboots. On special occasions like birthday parties, festivals or weddings, we wear colorful clothes. Okay, they are also called as party wear. What are uniforms? Uniforms are the special kinds of clothes worn by people who are on special jobs. Like you must have seen a doctor wearing a white overcoat, lawyer wearing a black overcoat, policemen and soldiers wearing khaki dress. At home we wear comfortable clothes like t-shirt, pajamas, jeans and other type of comfortable clothes. Now the clothes also depends upon the place to which a person belongs to. In India, people living in different states wear different kind of clothes, like the people from West Bengal wear different clothes from the people living in Rajasthan. Likewise, all around the world, people belonging to the different countries wear different clothes. As you can see, Japanese clothes are different from the person living in Burma, or an Eskimo wears a different clothes from an Arab person. So we come to the end of the chapter. See you in the next chapter.